And when you see a red highlighted field, it means that something is not correct here. So here you have not entered a trade number, and after you've entered a consecutive trade number, the red highlight disappears. Throughout the Journal tab, you find the expandable menus in the top, which are the plus and the minus buttons, and also the arrows point to where the expandable menus are. Behind the buttons, you find optional features for the Edgewonk Trading Journal, and by clicking on them, you can unhide them. The first expandable menu hides the information for holding time, which is entry time of your trade, the exit date, and the exit time. But if you don't want to use the holding time analytics, you just minimize it and hide the fields. You can also see that in some columns, there's a red triangle in the top right corner. And when you click on them, you get an explanation of what to do in those fields. Now we can move a bit to the right. And as we've said, Edgewonk analyzes when you've entered some data wrong. And we can show you another example. When you select the outcome loser, but you enter a positive value for your trade, then the cell will also be highlighted red. In the top of your Trading Journal tab, you also find a few statistics about your current performance, which is the current account balance, the peak balance, the distance from the peak, so the difference between your current account balance and the peak balance, and how much you started with. And also the current tilt level, which will be explained in another video. In some of the sections, you need to select the value you want to enter from the drop-down menu. And if you have not customized it, or if you want to add or change the values, you just go to the definitions section. And here you can enter and change the definitions, and then the drop-down menus from the Journal tab will change as well.